Thanks for joining us. I'm Chris Tanaka with a WBZ News update. A Vermont judge will not order the immediate release of a Tufts University student from a Louisiana ICE detention facility. Rameza Ozturk's case was sent to Vermont because that's where she was in custody when her lawyers sued for her release following the PhD student's detainment in Somerville last month over her Palestinian advocacy. Her next hearing will be in Louisiana next week. Karen Read's defense team is trying a new tactic to delay her retrial. They're hoping the U.S. Supreme Court will delay the case and ultimately dismiss some of the charges against her. Meanwhile, no jurors were seated yesterday as the selection process has come to a near halt. A burst water pipe forcing dozens of families in Duxbury from their homes. They were ordered to evacuate the Bay Farm condo complex on Park Street last night after water gushed through the complex. The fire department says a contractor was working when a water pipe in the building's heating system broke. Water got into the electrical and fire alarm networks, but thankfully no one was hurt. All right, time now for a check of your next weather forecast. Here's Jason Michael.
Oh, Chris, cold front is beginning to tiptoe into the western Mass region as of right now. It's causing some snow bands to move across the Berkshires into the Worcester Hills, at least far western of the Worcester Hills. That will ignite another chance for some spot showers to at least to about 11 a.m. this morning. Afternoon, we allow for some filtered sunshine to move back in. Morning rain showers pushing off into the Gulf of Maine, which is actually great news for us here. So let's get rid of this cold front. However, the caveat to that is temperatures will be taking a tumble overnight tonight with steady and yet blustery west-northwest winds throughout the evening and the overnight hours, and likely spilling over into our Wednesday as well. Wednesday will largely be a very sunny day, still a very brisk day. Similar conditions expected for tomorrow, but more rain chances by the end of the week, beginning on Friday and likely spilling over to Saturday. Saturday is still likely to be the wettest day of the next 7. Okay, now take a look at this area of low pressure. We'll have a lot of rainwater with it, bringing onshore winds to us on Saturday, allowing for more moderate to heavy rain showers. On top of that, we also have a full moon for the upcoming weekend. So there lies another threat for some coastal floodings, as high tide is actually also going to be ramping up. So we'll be in the 40s again tomorrow as opposed to today, a little bit warmer tomorrow. 50s on tap for us on Thursday. Could actually be the pick of the 7-day. However, look at the tail end. Monday, we're actually back into the lower 60s after a rainy stretch Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Meanwhile, keeping the temperatures in the 40s and even the mid to low 50s, Chris.
All right, Jason, this has been a WBZ News Update. I'm Chris Tanaka. Have a great day.